In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete your Typeform account. Whether you're looking to streamline your digital presence or simply want to close an account you no longer use, this step-by-step guide will make the process easy and stress-free. First, let's begin by navigating to Typeform's homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in typeform.com in the address bar, then hit enter. Once the site loads, you'll see the main interface of Typeform. If you haven't logged in already, go ahead and do so using your credentials. It's important to ensure you're logged into the account you wish to delete. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll notice your profile icon. It might display your initials or a custom image if you've uploaded one. Click on this profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu provides quick access to various settings and options tied to your account. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to click on Account Settings. Clicking on this option will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your Typeform account. On the Account Settings page, you'll find several tabs and options. These are designed to help you manage your account preferences, but today our focus is on account deletion. Scroll down through the Settings page until you find the option labeled Delete Account. This option is typically located towards the bottom of the page, so keep scrolling until you see it. It might be in a slightly different place depending on any updates to Typeform's interface, but it should still be fairly easy to locate. Once you've found Delete Account, click on it. This action will prompt a confirmation message or pop-up. Typeform, like many services, will want to ensure that you truly intend to delete your account, as this action is irreversible. Carefully read through any prompts or warnings to understand the implications of deleting your account. This might include losing access to any forms you've created and data associated with the account. If you're certain about your decision, confirm the account deletion. The confirmation process might require you to re-enter your password or complete an additional verification step. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the deletion process. And there you have it. Your Typeform account should now be successfully deleted. Remember, deleting your account means you will lose all data associated with it, so ensure you've backed up any necessary information beforehand. I hope this guide made the process clear and straightforward. If you have any questions or run into issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Typeform support for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and goodbye for now.